Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, November 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am good too. This coffee machine is my best friend in the morning.
Yes, it is. I need a strong cup today. The week starts busy.
Tell me about it. I had emails all night. But hey, did you catch the news this week?
A little. What is on your mind?
First, that inflation report. It is from CNN Business.
Oh, yes. Prices are going up fast.
Right? The September CPI shows the fastest rise since January.
Food costs more, electricity too, and housing.
Exactly. It hits everyone. I feel it at the grocery store.
Me too. Our family budget is tight now.
In sales, clients talk about it. They buy less if prices rise.
True, projects get delayed. Budgets shrink.
Companies cut costs. We see it in orders.
It is worrying. When will it stop?
Hope soon. The report says basics like food and power are up.
Housing rent goes higher too. People move less.
Yeah. Affects real estate deals I handle.
We plan projects around costs. Inflation changes everything.
Smart thinking. More coffee to wake up.
Please, now what else in the news?
Tech side. NVIDIA made big news from the New York Times.
I read it. They top $5 trillion in value.
First company ever, AI boom drives it.
Yes, their chips power AI everywhere.
From 4 trillion in just 3 months. Crazy fast.
Demand is huge. Everyone wants AI tech.
In our office, we use AI for reports. Saves time.
In projects, it helps track tasks better.
But is it safe? NVIDIA leads trade talks in Asia.
That could help or hurt supplies.
We import parts. Prices might change.
True, AI changes jobs too. Some worry about that.
I joke with team, AI does boring work now.
Funny, but seriously, it is the future.
Agree, NVIDIA is king of tech now.
Their value shows power. Wall Street loves it.
Stocks fly high. Exciting for investors.
We should watch tech trends in meetings.
Good idea. Now something lighter or not.
What?
Prince Andrew's story from AP News.
Oh, that one. He gives up royal titles.
Over Epstein scandal, emails show more contact.
Longer than he said before. Shocking.
Royals in trouble. He is out of public life.
Society talks about trust. Famous people face heat.
Like an office, we build trust with clients.
Yes, scandals hurt reputation.
He lied about ties, now pays price.
Family image damaged. Big deal in UK.
Entertainment buzz, like a bad movie.
But real, ethics matter everywhere.
We follow rules here, no scandals.
Lucky, it reminds us to be honest.
True, Prince loses home too, mansion gone.
Reports say yes, stripped of titles.
From Duke to nothing, Wildfall.
Culture shifts, no special treatment.
Good, equality in news now.
We discuss in team, impacts society.
Yeah, back to work stuff, my sales meeting soon.
Mine too, project update at 10.
This chat helps start day right.
Yes, news keeps us informed.
Inflation first, hits wallet hard.
We adapt, track expenses daily.
Clients ask about price hikes.
Projects need flexible budgets.
NVIDIA next, AI tools coming.
Train team on them soon.
Fun makes work faster.
But learn ethics with tech.
Smart Prince story last.
Teaches honesty lesson.
No lies in business.
Agree coffee done, ready?
Yes, see you later.
Have a good day. Stay positive.
You two work well.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.